What is going on, you guys? This is Chris with PatchBoyDar, patches for the culture. And in this video I want to show you some of the stuff I picked up at my local dollar store as well as my local Hobby Lobby. Let's get into it. Starting off with my items that I picked up from my local dollar store. Check it out. I got these $3 terry cloth towels. These are towels, but I plan on just using them for the terry cloth texture that is on them. I went to Joann's. They have a selection of different colored terry cloth, but they did not have black. So luckily, I went to the dollar store and I was able to pick up this black terry cloth right here. Plan on making some cool applique effects on some t-shirts and some hoodies. So I got a black one here, as well as a navy blue one here. The texture on it is really nice. There were some other towels and other like rags that had like that texture to it, but the quality just didn't look as good as these towels did. These towels were $3 a piece. They're 27 inches by 52 inches each towel. So I should be able to get a good amount of uses out of these terry cloth towels right here. Next up, we went to Hobby Lobby and picked up some blank hats. You guys check it out. So we got a variety of blank hats. These are like the dad hat styles, but these are for women. As you can see right here, these are designed for women to put their ponytails through. So they have the ponytail holes right here. And they also are Velcro straps right back here. So I plan on doing various designs onto these dad hats. And I stocked up on them. I got about 6 of them. I got 2 grays right here, as you can see. I even got this light blue right here. This one as well is for women's ponytails. Majority of these hats are for a women's ponytail, except for this red one back here, which we'll get to. Can't wait to do some embroidering on these because I do have that brother flat brim hat hoop. Although these are curved dad hat brims, I can still use that flat brim hat hoop for these hats. So I got like the darker blue, the like a dark blue jean type of look right here. Next up, this one is my personal favorite. This one is the vintage style hat, and it has like a little distressed look to it. So like the fabric's kind of like cut up a little bit. I really like the style of this hat, how this one looks for the most part. And yes, this one is for women's ponytails. As you can see, the hole on this hat is a lot wider than these other hats back here. This one costs more than the others. All these hats were $6 a hat, but this one here was $9. Ponytail caps, I'm assuming that's the brand. So here's the red hat right here. It's like a light red. It's not super dark, like a faded type of red looking hat. This one is not a woman's ponytail hat, and this hat right here was $6, as you can see right here. Majority of the hats that were at Hobby Lobby are Velcro backing, at least the good quality hats. The other hats that had snaps on them, I really did not like the quality. They were really like cheap hats, so I didn't go with those ones. But I do like the dad hat style, so I'm gonna go ahead and stock up on these whenever I can, because I do plan on making a bunch of hats for the ladies out there. We're gonna get you some hats going, ladies. So I wanted to take a second to show you guys some of the stuff we picked up from our local dollar store as well as our local Hobby Lobby right here. We got some hats. You can go to Hobby Lobby, pick yourself up some blank ponytail hats for the ladies, and you can go to a dollar store and pick up some towels, so that way you can utilize the terry cloth texture for some of your applique designs. For those of you wondering, in the background we do have the brother personas going, the PRS 100s. This one is making 5 patches right here, as you can see on the screen. This one right here is doing 1 large patch. It's like a memorial patch for a customer. We also made a sale with one of our mom patches here, but they want some Velcro added onto it, so I got to take this out of the packaging, add some Velcro onto it, put it back in the packaging, and ship it out to the customer. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This has been Chris with PatchBoyDar, patches for the culture, and we'll see ya on the next one. Peace.